story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, people have been asking me to do a Q&A for the longest while. I'm telling people to throw in some questions, but I think I wasn't getting the right questions because more I'm a Q&A for the festive. I know I do a lot of Q&A on my live, but most of them drawn out. But I get some questions off of IG. Some people ask me, and some people ask me some question even when I do my regular live, and I screenshot them. You know, I'm gonna put some of the question them together, and I decided to give you guys a Q&A. So before we go into this video, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guys, if you are not yet a member of my channel, what are you waiting for? Please to join my membership. So guys, let's go into this video. Guys, the first one more answer, because people always say, why Corey? I don't like asking nothing because you just tell the truth. So the first one is, why are you so outspoken? Yes guys, why am I so outspoken? Guys, I'm a person, I like to be myself. You know, I love being myself. I'm gonna be straightforward. If you ask me a question, I am going to give you my honest opinion towards the question. That is how I am. You understand? It no matter what you ask me, I give you my honest opinion to the question. You see me? So that is just me. That's just my personality. I'm not in the grown and lie and pretending and all of that. No. That's not me. I don't do that. So yes, I'm very outspoken. Yes, I'm glad to observe that and even answer the question. So the next question is, do I have any kids? What do you think? What kind of question are you gonna ask me if I have kids? You wanna ask me that a million times. That means someone who's not taking notes. No guys, I don't have any kids. I don't have any kids, which I have nieces and nephews and stuff that I love them like they're my own, but I don't have any kids, guys. So no kids, but yes, I want to have kids. You know. The next one's have you ever sleep with a friend, man? Jesus.
Huh? That's serious?
You know, so some of them questions I'm not gonna answer them because you're not bright, you're not out of order. What kind of question do you not ask good girl Corey? You know, sister Corey a good girl. Or not sister Corey a good, nice, clean girl. What kind of question I ask me? If I ever see my friend, man, no, I'm not do them something like people. Me not do friend man and them something there. No. That half limit. I don't do those things. But what kind of question is that? You know, but I'm still gonna answer, no, because it's a Q&A, so everybody's entitled to ask any question. But no, a dirty people sleep with them friend man. I'm not do them something there. So my next one I'm gonna answer. So the next one is, have you ever do oral sex? If me ever do it or you ever do it? If me ever do oral sex, I'm not answer that. I'm not gonna answer it. I'm not gonna answer that one. So here what? It's because I'm not gonna answer it. I'm gonna take a shot, but I'm already frost already. I'm not gonna answer that question. I'm not too bright. If me ever do oral sex, I'm not too out order. On a behavior. I don't know ready. I say Corey slack and Corey outrageous and Corey this and that. I'm not answering. It's for me to know and you to find out. Let me see the next one. The next one is, people ask me this all the time. I think every YouTuber get this question. what motivated me to start my YouTube channel. Guys, as I tell you guys before, it's my nephew. My nephew is the one that always say, Auntie, why you don't start a YouTube channel? I used to be like, Bravian, I don't know if you know. Auntie, you wasting your video over on IG because listen to me. We go a party and I meet this all night. Some of the phone, yeah. I was a video. I was a post. Back to back. And if you say, Auntie, you need to make a YouTube channel and start post my YouTube channel. Tell me and my sister come to the agreement so we're gonna start YouTube. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. We come to agreement, say we're gonna start YouTube and we start same time. So yes, my nephew, him are the one. When I see me prank him with the fell off the stairs prank. And so now me come fell off of the stairs. He's the one who tell me to start YouTube, motivate me, and then him start make me watch these YouTubers, the Prince family, and then I fall in love with the Prince family. I used to watch them every day. So yes, guys, and then I say, I saw YouTube did fun. Like I didn't know it was so fun, guys. You know, so I start watch them a lot. You know. So yes, people. Then I think next person then I start watch. He gonna share a lot more Jamaican YouTubers. I watch YouTubers from over here, like Jamaican YouTubers over here and stuff. You see me? I start getting to it. Then me and my sister and my niece at Trinidad, we do research and certain things. And my nephew used to be like, Auntie, you need to make a thumbnail. I say, what name thumbnail? What is thumbnail? Me like, what? Auntie, you don't know what thumbnail is? The picture that I put at the front. I say, what name thumbnail? Listen, guys, the first time I try to put up a thumbnail, I wonder why the first part of the video not showing. I put the sitting at the front, the picture at the front. I said, I don't know why the picture at the front not showing. But now I know, so I have to go back in a studio, you know, and do all of them banger right there, you know. But anyway, I end up get it. And you know, girl, good pan it. I'm not going to say I know everything, but I'm learning as I go by. Guys, you reach this far in the video and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Come man, come join Life with Curry Gooders. What are you waiting for? Come and subscribe, guys. The next question is, the next one here, have you ever steal from your parents as a child? Guys, me think so every pick the thief from them parents. Me is a thief in meat out of pot. Me is a thief in last cup.
You're serious? I don't even see that. Are you serious? I used to do it.
Oh, the last cup, pushing on my clothes so and go with it. I road go share. I know me get lick, because I love milk. There's a thief out in meat. You see my mother cook, I tiptoe. And I tiptoe. Oh my God, and you know the mother cook. Time that the meat have burn out your mouth, you know. And you can't talk because your mother gonna say you're going to pattern. Where you gonna get some pash. You see me? So I used to be like, you know you're gonna get some beaten. So yeah, of course, I don't grow up with my father, so since I'm big, I live with my father, so I never get thief nothing from him. But my mother, food stuff, take out him stuff them out of the house when him gonna work. My sister can tell no Vias. Take out him pot them. I know I get beaten, you know, because everybody else experienced the home. So I could have take out my mother pot, thief out rice, everything, can go on and go and cook with my friend them. Because a long time girl are cooking for a girl, I look up it, you know. Then a girl living in a ghetto, little girl in a primary school, you know. But thief out everything, sugar, everything, can go and cook out with my friend them, yeah. Lasco, I take out that day and we eat it like a sweetie. I put the little pack of Lasco in a so and carry out. I'm going to go show it in our hand. So yes, people. Girl, thief, enough time for our mother. Yes, not thief the money, you know, but like food stuff. You see me, which man will say, most kids do that. A lot of your kids, son don't tell me son don't do it. I know son do it. You do it when I watch it. You me attack. You do it. Yes. What is my real name? Guys, I'm not ready to tell you guys my last name as yet, but for those who don't know, my name is Colleen. I'm not gonna give out my last name, you know, but my name is Colleen. And I think a lot of you guys know by now, so I'm surprised. Someone literally asked me this, which it have a night I was giving away credit, and I asked what was my real name, and a lot of you guys did not know. Ono never did know. Yes. So Ono never get the credit. Yes, but my name is Colleen. You know, my name is Colleen. So the next one is, Mr. Boy, them are people, yeah. Them really come out. It's like gonna come out for me. Why? Because me plain and straight and something like that. If me ever do an abortion. No, I've never done an abortion before. What kind of question am I come for? Come like no come for come dig out my soul. I wanna plan for the pump and pink wall. Anyway, I don't know do that. Yes, guys, but no, I've never done an abortion. If me did do an abortion, it must be for a good reason. If I don't believe in that, that must be for a good reason. If I do it, because a person can be sick. A lot of females that do an abortion is not because they just want to do an abortion. Sometimes it's because of health problem why doctor have to take it. So a person might come and they ask a question and them say, have you ever do an abortion? And you just jump and you say, yes, you do an abortion, and people go bash up, watch a girl kill belly. But because she didn't explain the reason behind it, because not everybody gonna explain their reason behind certain stuff. So no bash a person when them say them do certain things, because everything have a reason. You understand? Everything have a reason. So no, guys, I have never done an abortion. So let me look for the next question. But uno out that to blow away, you know. Me not love no boy so. Even though me not study way in there. If me that take a bullet for my man, sorry baby, me not love no boy like that. Because darling, babes, I know you gonna watch this video. But listen, if somebody come to fight you, I will help you fight. I'm gonna fight that battle with you, but me not take no bullet for nobody. Me not take no bullet for nobody. Nobody me not take no bullet for. You crazy? Which boy? Which boy? Me? Would I rather take it for one of my niece or my nephew them? Would I take it for my niece or my nephew them? You understand? Me not take no bullet for no boy. You take the bullet for the boy, and then next thing, either dead or you're in a hospital, the boy gone with other girl. You're crazy. Take which bullet? I'm not ask Corey good as them mad question here, man. But me I got answer on the same way, you know. But them question here mad people question them here. Them have mad psychopath question them here. Wanna ask good girl. Take which bullet? Yam farm done grow a long time. Yeah. I come off of the yam train long years ago. Years back. Come off of the long train. The thing said me this. Bruno Mars thing say catch a grenade. Catch grenade. I not catch nothing for no boy. Nothing. Because no boy not catch nothing for me. But we're going on the next question. Some of them not even answer them. You know. The next one is what? You see, because I'm so plain and outspoken, I don't like to just come with some heated question. But just mash up YouTube and maybe if I go on myself, you know. I don't know, make Corey good as get out, you know. I don't know, make she get out. If me ever sleep with a girl, and honest to God, I have never slept with a female. No, I don't do females. Me very festive and thing with my man, but I don't do female. I do not do female. So no, guys, I have never slept with a female. No. So let's go into the next question. People always ask me this. Why did I get the name Curry Goodas? Guys, actually, my father used to call me Curry Powder from I was a baby. I don't know the reason why. I've never asked him the reason behind that name. But ever since I was a child, my dad called me Curry Powder. Then him start to say Curry as I get older. You understand? I come to the States. I keep parties. Well, maybe I say used to, but I still do it because I have a party coming up. me used to put my name, Colleen, on it, on the flyers. And I say, you know what? I realize that everybody will keep party, them have a nickname where them use. So, me as a person, I love cook to and everything. And I say, blow up. I love to cook. And then the curry name fit in, my father give me. So I kind of love the name now, you know. You see me? So I say, you know what? I'm going to say curry and good as. I'm going to say curry good as. You know? You see me? So I change my IG name to Curry Goodas. And then when we got a party now, the DJ them would say, boy. And I say, hey, you must love your girl because she always a cook. Mother want to come and phone you. She always a cook. She always a cook. That's my ex, you know. Them always talk about my ex. She always a cook. You must love her. That's why I say you're not left curry and whatever. You understand? But cooking no no man. Anyway, that's not what we're comfortable. You see me? I call her Curry Goodas. A Curry Goodas she name because trust me, the girl can't cook. You can't come and say, yeah, the name of a buzz. And no, you say, yes, people. The name of a buzz. The Curry Goodas. So I say, yes, my father, give me a nice name, Curry. I'm going to drop the Goodas pan and then when I put you over Instagram now and the DJ them start to say Curry Goodas, I say, yeah, the name of a buzz. It have a buzz. So here, girl, I go work with the name. So yeah, I start put it Curry Goodas for my wedding there. Everyone have flyers them. Because I used to keep a party every Tuesday, so I start say Curry Goodas. Everybody start call me the name Curry Goodas. So I say yes, fit in. So when I decide to start my YouTube channel now, I say, you know what? Actually, this is my third name. You understand? I say Life with Curry Goodas. You understand? First name was Star Girl Curry Goodas. Next one was Curry Goodas and the gang. Now me there life with Curry Goodas. You understand? Because I say this is gonna be about me. A lot of people think that I come up with this name because me love to cook. But no, I didn't invent this name. This name was from I was a baby. And I know because me can cook. This name was dear. So it's like God touch him and tell him say, give your daughter the nickname here, Curry. You understand? Give her the nickname. But the name come in perfect with me because I don't know. It just come in perfect with me. Listen, guys. So we have reached the end of my Q&A, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodas. Guys, and if you are new to my channel, please remember to join my membership. Love you guys. Bye. So guys, my post notification shout out goes to Oral and Altia. Yes guys, Oral and Altia. You can go and check out their channel. Please remember to subscribe to their channel. And also Beauty Citrin. The both of them come in first. Say them first. I don't know which one. So I'm going to just give the both of them a shout out. So you can go check out Oral and Altia and Beauty Citrin, guys. Show them some love. Let them know that Life with Curry Goodas send you now. Bye guys. Magan.